Because as everybody know, we're always late. We're late for everything. So we were 2 hours late, and I thought I wasn't gonna make the flight.
All the boys are ahead of us.
Yeah, they're all up there. So no makeup today, no mascara, because by the time we get to Puerto Rico, it'll be 3 in the morning, and I don't want to cake down my face.
I was gonna put eyeshadow on, but Mom said no, not today.
She was not gonna wear no eyeshadow. So we're gonna find our gate. Our suitcases were overweight, so we had to take our suitcase out, rearrange everything, so we will only pay for one suitcase being overweight. So now we're gonna find our gate, get these kids some food, and hopefully we'll start our vacation with hot stickiness and mosquitoes. 12 is good.
4 or 5. He opens in the counter on the 5. He's actually like $9, $10, and he don't give you that much sushi, right? That's what he sees.
Yeah, but it's California rolls, right? They don't got exotic sushi.
They got everything.
Oh, they do?
Yeah, man. Like, play with your dogs.
Say no, I want to play with wrestlers.
You can't play with wrestlers in public.
Listen, say I'm a girl. I can do whatever I want. How?
I did.
He's happy. He's getting away. He's happy. He's going back to La Isla. He wants to shop, but he knows he'll pay like $20.
Don't get a bottle when you over to the bottle.
I just took medication, so I'm not gonna take the shot.
Let's see if they have let's see if they have the what do they call that again?
I want a beer.
Where you can buy liquor. Not right here. In Puerto Rico, bro. No, they have that here.
I left Julia's Benadryl, so I'm actually on a hunt for it because I don't want her to get a headache on the plane and start screaming, and I have no medication for that girl because she has lungs for days. So now I have to look for medication. Hopefully I can find out. Probably end up paying $20 a bottle. So
Philadelphia Marketplace Food and Shop with over 170.
Why does it have a lot of holes there?
why?
Well, this has like a lot of holes erasing
I don't know. That's a good question. I don't know. Let's look at the plane.
Yeah, that's our plane.
Yes, that's our plane over there.
And then over there is the other plane. But it's not connected to the plane yet, but that's for the, I think that's for E2.
Oh, over there, we're at E10.
We're at E10.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's probably like...
PJ's back. Entertainment. I thought I lost my phone because I was like, what? And I was like, and I don't know how.
So our plane, we're actually supposed to be boarding at 10:05. It's probably a quarter after, and we have not boarded yet.
It is.
What time is it? 10:18. And I did find medicine for Tati. For Gigi. I get them all confused. And I told you it'd be like $20. It actually came out to be $14.99.
And it tastes like water.
And yeah, and she did cough some up. So.
I couldn't stop it.
And I'm tired. I'm ready for a nap. And I got some McDonald's in here that was horrible because I didn't know what to get. So now we're just waiting for our plane
French fries were
because everyone just
French fries were salty.
everyone just got off the plane. So now I guess we have to wait for them to clean the plane and everything else. And I'm just done. It's loud here, and I'm just want to get to the
I want to
house.
see Boba. I can see Boba then.
I just want to see.
I know. And let's see. Let's see.
Which I should appreciate. We're still at the airport because once we hit Puerto Rico, it's going to be hot and humid. So
because it's freezing in here. It's freezing. And my phone is right behind me. I still haven't done finish my DIY I did on my channel. phone yet because I think I'm gonna get a top socket. I can't poke my eyes because I got glasses.
And you saw that she actually made Paul buy her glasses even though she doesn't wear glasses. But we stopped at Walmart to get her glasses. Another story.
Oh, another story. I want to do a video, so I'm gonna make a video.
Alright guys, I'll talk to you in a few.
Represent the passengers who need extra time going down the jet bridge. Special assist personnel, military personnel, and family members with children under the age of 3 are looking for this time.
Gigi,
En este
you
momento
too.
estamos entrando
I'm not going to the military.
donde el paciente que pasa